So in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a screencast to YouTube and then to do some basic editing with it. So here we are in our Google account, and I'm going to come over here to the Google applications and I'm going to go into YouTube. So there will be a YouTube channel associated with your Google account. It's giving me some suggested videos here that I can look at, but what I'm mostly interested here in is the upload function. So I'm going to upload a video that I've made using Screencast-O-Matic. So I'm going to click on upload, and it says here select files to upload or drag and drop the video files. Now what I've got at the moment, the Screencast-O-Matic video that I recorded a little while ago is just saved onto my desktop. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to drag it and drop it onto my desktop. And you can see here it's now uploading and processing the file. While it's uploading, we can make some changes to the description. We can change the title of it if we want. That title there has come from the title I gave it within the Screencast-O-Matic program itself. So I'll put a description in here. This is just a basic video showing you the Ruddy23 site. Okay, spelling mistakes are okay because they can be corrected. Now, I can publish it directly here, but I just want to kind of show you a couple of things first before we go publishing it. Tags are next. So tags really are a way of describing what the video content is. You can use as many as you like, really, and you separate them using a comma. So tags might be useful, for example, if you were creating a video screencast showing somebody how to use a Word file or to use the word processing using Microsoft Word. You might like to put the tag MS Word into your video. You might also like to put in the tag word processing or the tag software. So they're just single words or short phrases that describe what's in the video. The video that I've got here is just a basic run through of a blogspot. So I'm just going to put in blogger because that's one of the things that's in the video, and put one more in just to show you how it's done. So demonstration. So now anybody who searches on YouTube with the keywords blogger or demonstration may find my video here. So these are ways for search engines to find and filter videos. The thumbnails are what your video will look like on YouTube, a single still from it. So I'm going to go with this one because it's got the Ruddy23 logo a little bit more central on the screen. Can't see it at all on that one. I can see it there, but it's very close to the top, so I'm going to select that one. Now I'm not going to go into sharing on Twitter or Google Plus at this stage. What we'll do is we'll just go straight into publishing it. Let me just have a look at advanced settings here for a second. So allowing comments from other people would be a good idea. Now you can moderate those, and if somebody puts a comment that you want to delete, you can do that as well. Just having a quick look here to see, do we need to put anything else in? No, I think we can leave that where it is for now. Go back to basic info for a second, and I'll go publish. Okay, so the video has now been uploaded to YouTube, and that is the link to the video. So if you wanted to send that link to anybody in an email, you would just highlight this, right click, copy, and then paste that link into an email. I'll show you a different way to share it in a second. So now that you've created your first video and uploaded it onto YouTube, let's come over here to our video manager and we'll have a look. Now it's only going to show one video because that's all I've uploaded to this account. It's 1 minute and 6 seconds long. So far nobody has viewed it, nobody has liked it, nobody has disliked it, nobody has made any comments. Now you may find that these numbers over here will start to creep up as your videos spend a bit more time on YouTube. So one of the things I want to show you how to do is just to do some basic editing to it, and possibly the most important one that you could use here would be to put the closed captions on it, which are like subtitles, and this is going to help anybody who's looking at your video that may be hard of hearing. So to do this, you simply click on the edit button beside the video preview here, and here you've got some various options for enhancements. You can add audio, you can add annotations, you can add information cards, but the one I'm interested in here is the subtitles and closed captioning. So I'm going to click on that. Now you should see some options over here for English or English automatic, and I'm going to go for English automatic. Now what's going to happen here is the YouTube program itself is going to try to transcribe the audio from the video. So it's going to look at everything I said in the video and it's going to try and interpret what it was. It probably will make mistakes. So depending on your accent and depending on the terminology that you're using, you may find some spelling mistakes, you may find some completely wrong words, but I'm going to go and have a look at it anyway. So English automatic, and we'll click on here. So it's analyzing the video at this stage. It has run through the video, and here you can see what it is, what it thinks I said at each of those timings. So you get to see the timing down here, and you get to see the words that I've said. So let's have a quick look at this here. So it says, hello there, this is just a sample video showing you how to upload to YouTube and make some small and its. Well, that should be edits. So if I want to change that, I can just come in here with my mouse and I should be able to edit that down here. Whoops, why is it going like this? That should say edits, not and its. So you can see here that you can edit these words using just like a word processor, really. Okay. Now, so in this video, I'm just going to scroll through the Ready 23. Now you can see that should be, of course, Ruddy 23. It's not picking up the fact that this is an Irish word, so you may need to edit that. So you can see here that the subtitles themselves are mostly right, but there are a couple of small spelling mistakes. Now it's going to take you a little bit of time, not very long, and it's worthwhile doing for the benefit of anybody who needs to read what you're saying in the video. So that might just take you a little bit of time to go through that, and when you've done that, you can simply publish edits and click on there. Subtitles published. Now when we go back to look at that video, we're going to be able to see the subtitles while we're on there. So let's go back and have a look at our videos. So I'm going to go back up here to the main YouTube menu. I'm going to go into my channel, and you can see I've just got one video in there. Now if I click on this to play, you're not going to be able to hear any audio. Oh, there you can hear it. Now what I've had to do there, the subtitles didn't automatically come up. You may have noticed I clicked on the little CC button down here and it made those subtitles automatically come up. So that's just a very quick editing tool within YouTube. So what I've shown you so far is I've shown you how to upload a video to YouTube by dragging it and dropping it onto dragging it from your desktop into YouTube, and then how to go in and edit that video to create some subtitles. Most important thing with the subtitles is you really should read through them before you publish, just to check for spelling mistakes or incorrect words.